go to
You got to put your feet up against something.
Yeah, I agree.
No, he'd be better off with his whole body up against the seat, I think, wouldn't he?
Look, he's going to nut himself.
No, yeah.
God, dude, I can't even push it down. Holy dolly.
How are we going to get it back up? We'll have to leave it.
More Creek. About 10 k's from New Laura the next morning. Just gonna go down, do a bit of fishing.